Strategy integration within the framework of change governance encapsulates the harmonisation of an organization's strategic objectives with its change management initiatives. This convergence ensures that incremental or transformational changes align with the organization's goals, thereby enhancing its competitive edge and ensuring its long-term sustainability. In the rapidly evolving business, integrating strategic objectives with change initiatives becomes not merely an advantage, but a necessity for survival and growth. Change governance, a structured approach to managing the transition of organizations from their current state to a desired future state, necessitates a deep alignment with the organization's strategic direction. This alignment ensures that every change initiative, no matter how small, contributes to the broader strategic objectives, thus maximising resource efficiency and minimising strategic drift. Strategy integration, therefore, serves as the bridge between the vision of the organisation and the practical, day-to-day actions required to realise that vision. Effective strategy integration begins with clearly understanding the organisation's strategic objectives. These objectives, often distilled into a strategic plan, outline the organization's long-term direction and priorities. The challenge then lies in translating these high-level objectives into actionable change initiatives that can be implemented across the organization. This translation requires meticulous planning, a deep understanding of the organization's operational realities, and a robust governance framework to oversee the implementation of these initiatives. The role of leadership in strategy integration cannot be overstated. Leaders must propose the cause of strategic alignment, ensuring that every change initiative is evaluated through the lens of its contribution to the strategic objectives. This requires leaders to be visionaries and pragmatic decision-makers who can deal with organizational change. They must foster a culture that values strategic alignment, encouraging teams across the organization to adopt a strategic mindset in their approach to change. Strategy integration requires effective communication channels within the organization. The strategic objectives and the rationale behind change initiatives must be clearly communicated to all stakeholders, ensuring their buy-in and commitment. This communication must be ongoing, with regular updates on the progress of change initiatives and their impact on the strategic objectives. Such transparency fosters a sense of ownership among employees, encouraging their active participation in the change process. Another aspect of strategy integration is establishing a governance structure that oversees aligning change initiatives with strategic objectives. This structure, often comprising a cross-functional team of senior leaders, is responsible for monitoring the progress of change initiatives, assessing their impact on strategic objectives, and making course corrections as necessary. The governance structure serves as the custodian of strategy integration, ensuring that the organization remains focused on its strategic priorities amidst the flux of change. Integrating strategy and change also necessitates a flexible approach to planning and execution. The business environment is characterized by volatility and uncertainty, requiring organizations to be agile in their strategic planning and execution. Strategy integration involves continuously monitoring the external environment and adjusting change initiatives in response to emerging threats and opportunities. This agility ensures that the organization remains aligned with its strategic objectives, even as it navigates the external environment. The journey towards strategy integration is both challenging and rewarding. It requires a disciplined approach to governance, a commitment to strategic alignment, and a culture that values agility and continuous improvement. By integrating strategy with change governance, organizations can ensure that their change initiatives are reactive responses to external pressures and proactive steps towards achieving their long-term strategic objectives. Strategy integration in the context of change governance is about creating a seamless alignment between an organization's strategic aspirations and its change initiatives. This alignment ensures that every step taken during the change process is a step towards the strategic goals, thus maximising the impact of change initiatives and enhancing the organisation's competitiveness and sustainability. As the business environment continues to evolve, the ability to integrate strategy with change governance will remain a vital determinant of organisational success.